Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about our interval notation in our Unit 2 notes packet. So we're on page 6 and I'm on question 13. So we want to graph each of these inequalities and then we want to write the interval notation. So remember, this right here is our set notation. So what it's telling us is that on our number line, we have from -4 all the way to 1. Since I have a less than symbol, I'm going to use an open circle on my 4. I'm going to use a less than or equal to, so a closed circle on my 1. And I'm going to shade all the values of x that are going to satisfy that. Now, to write this in interval notation, I'm going to use a parenthesis starting at -4. And I'm going to continue to 1, and I'm going to use a closed bracket to show that that is closed. On number 14, I have the set of x's such that x is greater than or equal to -9. So in this case, I am going to use, I'm going to use 3 numbers. So -10, -9, -8. Now this is a greater than or equal to. So I'm going to, on the -9, close that circle. And I want it greater, so I'm going to shade all of the numbers bigger than that. So my interval notation, my lowest number being -9, and I'm going all the way to infinity. And remember, infinities always get a parenthesis. All right, I'm going to have you try questions 15 and 16 on your own. And now we're going to do the opposite. So this time we are given the interval notation and we want to write this in set notation. So let's graph this on a number line first. So I'm going from -2 all the way to 5. So notice that we have a closed bracket on the -2. So if that's a closed bracket, I'm going to use a closed circle. Open circle on the 5 because of the parenthesis, and I'm going to shade right in between there. So now for my set notation, so my French brackets, my squiggles, I have the set of x's such that, now my lowest, -2, less than or equal to x, which is less than 5. All right, number 18, very similar to that one. So let's try 19. So in 19, okay, again, let's draw our number line. We have 2 to positive infinity. So let's just give it a couple numbers, 1, 2, 3. And since this is a closed bracket, that means we have a closed circle being our low, and we're going all the way to positive infinity. So if I want to write this in set notation, I have the set of x's such that my x's are greater than or equal to 2. And that's my set notation. All right, let's try question 20 together. All right, so number 20, again, let's draw my number line. I've got 5, 6, 7. Now this time I'm going from -infinity up to 6. So 6 is getting my closed circle because of my closed bracket. And my -infinity is showing me I want everything to the left of this. So my set notation, the set of x's, such that x's are less than or equal to 6. Okay, and I'd like you to try the rest of these on your own. All right, have a great day.